Tonight in our Champions of Hope, we introduce you to a family who is helping feed families right here in Sacramento that are in need.
Initially just started as wanting to give back.
Dwayne and Edison's eggery began with just a handful of hens in a backyard and has grown into a thriving family farm right here in Sacramento.
So the pasture raised and the freshness of the eggs is really what makes an incredible difference. Just the chickens have the ability to do whatever they want all day. They're out eating bugs, screaming at the wind, they're having a great chicken life.
The eggery is named after Joe's two boys. But what started as a small family venture of raising animals and teaching the next generation grew into something much bigger. The family has now founded a community program called Neighbor's Nest, a way to bring food to people right here in their own community.
Just to take some of our own profits and purchase shelf-stable snacks for local children who are from really food insecure families.
Joe says about 20% of their own profits goes back into the Neighbor's Nest program. So far, they've donated things like granola bars, fruit snacks, and pretzels, with a focus on items that don't require refrigeration and are easily able to be stored and distributed. Joe says they try to get snacks that kids love but don't usually have access to through traditional food programs.
It can really make a difference to have something you love when you come home after a bad day or something like that, just doing what feels right. The world has changed so much, and it can be easy for people to forget at the end of the day, we're all just a community. So we're just doing it for the children in our community.
And there are several ways that you can buy eggs from the eggery, or if you do want to donate to them. So for more information, you can head to DwayneEdisonEggery.com, and we do have some information up on our website.